On my part, I'm expecting that the president will deliver good news to its constituency. If we have been following the news, nakikita naman natin that the president is doing his best, working very hard for this country. And it is, I think, may good news din talaga si Presidente today. So hopeful po kami na the news he will be telling us today is something that will paano ba sabihin yan? Perk up our day and be hopeful for the rest of the year.
Ma'am, are you satisfied po sa nangyaring investigation sa flood control issue nga na nabanggit ni Pangulo last SONA po?
And nakikita naman natin na may gumugulong. At katulad ng napakaraming kaso din na nangyayari sa bansa, we cannot expect something that will happen overnight. Pero definitely, may ginagawang investigation.